Hope you all are fine. And the purpose of this video is we were developing a system that was called virtual classrooms. And the purpose of making that system was that, all the crisis going around all the world. So we do not want our children or students to be just sitting at home and just doing nothing. So what we have done here, we have developed a system for them for in which teachers can teach all of the students just by sitting home, and they'll all gonna experience like they were just sitting in a class like before. So enough of talking, and I'll be demonstrating you the system, how it works and actually what it is. So let's go to our system right now. And what I'm gonna do is I'll be demonstrating you what's the system look likes, and it's just a demo of the system. So basically what I'm gonna do go is I'm just here on this page right now, and I'll be creating a new classroom, and I'll be putting the name of the classroom as room. I'll be putting my name here, and I'm just selecting. We have basically developed three types of classroom. The first one is one-to-one classroom, in which only a student and a teacher is present. The second one, actually this is one-to-one class, like there is only one student and one teacher is teaching only one student. And the second one is small classroom, like you have 10 to 15 students, so you can choose a small classroom and the teacher can go with it. And suppose if you have 50 students, suppose you have 40 students, so you can go with the lecture hall or the bigger classroom that we have made. So in this video, I'll be demonstrating you the small classroom, and I'll be choosing the type as a small classroom, and I'll be signing as a teacher. Obviously, when we'll be deploying the system, the students obviously will not having the option of a teacher. Student can only go with the student selection, and the teacher will obviously only be able to go with the teacher selection. So it is just a demo. So I'll be showing. I'm just gonna go and join the classroom, and once I am able to join this classroom, you will be able to see multiple things. So okay, now I'm in a classroom, and I can see that there are multiple things going on in my classroom actually. So I'll be explaining all of these things like in just a couple of minutes, but I'll be showing you all just a look of this system, what actually it is. So basically we have two main things here. Like first, you can see my video here right now on my screen. I'm talking to you, and obviously I am as a teacher, so every student in the room will be joining as a student, will be able to see me. The second major thing on this system is a whiteboard. Like teachers have a whiteboard in a classroom and they teach students, and they are able to write on it, they are able to draw on it. Even in this system, in this whiteboard, actually we are able to um, just present things, like we are able to upload a presentation here, and teacher can just go on with the presentation, presenting everything to the students. Or if he has difficulty explaining things, what he can do is he can write on the whiteboard, or just circle it, or just use a pen, or even write a text on the whiteboard. So what our system basically provide things to the students is, it basically provides a video chat and with a combination of a whiteboard. So student will be able to have an experience just like sitting into their home, and they are able to they are saying, okay, yeah, we are just like in a classroom, like they were before sitting in a classroom. So all the students can be joining here. As you can see here, the system is ready. Like I've just gone to the website, and I make a room, and assigned my name, and boom, we are here. So basically I was talking, there were two major things. Okay, one is the video, and the second is the whiteboard. I'll be just doing some things on the whiteboard. I'm just typing on the whiteboard, like I'm just taking my marker and just spelling some things, or I can even draw some shapes if I want to. And I can even type some text. Hello. and I can obviously erase some things, like I've just erased the oh hello. And there are multiple options here, like I can upload some images to the actually the whiteboard if I want to. So if I want to upload an image here, what I can do is I can just select an image. I just have to click it open, and once the image is uploaded to the system, you can see the image, and everybody on the system would be able to see the image actually. So once the upload is successful, the image is here. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'll be signing as student from my other device, and obviously we'll be able to see that the student is present in the class. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be signing as a student from my other class, and I'm just shutting my mic down so the conflict doesn't go here. Okay, so once I am joined from the other side, I'll be here. Yeah, okay. Let me just make it open. Okay, as you can see, as everyone can see, that I've signed in from my other device, and I'll be showing you in the video in the end that I'm seeing the whiteboard, and anything written on the whiteboard, I'll be able to see that. I'll be showing you the images that I have done so far, and if I'm gonna just show you maybe on the screen, you will be able to see that. Okay, hey, I'm just it's from my mobile, and you'll be maybe able to see that. Okay, this was the whiteboard here, and I have applied some lines on that. Yeah, so the thing works like that. So we also have a chat room on the right side here. I'll be typing some message from here. Hello, I do not understand. So I'll be just sending in the message from the other device that I have signed in as a student. So you'll be able to see you'll be able to see the message actually. And once the teacher is typing, yeah, and the teacher has multiple options right now. Like teacher can view the student list, all the student lists, and teacher is even able to mute everybody. He can even mute the chat or block any student, or just block the camera of any student. Like I'm just going to block this student's camera. So what I've done is just I've clicked on in this button, and you can see there's a line going on, and now I'm unable the camera of the student is gone. Just he cannot able to broadcast his video into the class. So yeah, teacher has multiple option on his side, and obviously he he could block his chat and stuff like that. So yeah, you can just minimize this window if you want whole screen whiteboard, and you can obviously, yeah, there's a button, you can start the class from right from there, and once the class is started, you'll be officially going, and the time will be going on, and how many duration the class is going. Yeah, so things work like that. Yeah, we have at the top, we have your network connection. Is it good, is it poor, or is it very bad? So the things are going like that. And if you're gonna come on the right side of here, we have setting button. In the setting button, you'll be able to see that, okay, I am using this camera, I'm using this microphone, and I'm using this speaker. And obviously this is for the setup for every student. If you want to you have multiple microphone attached to your computer, so you can just change it to the one you want, and you just hit finish. It's gonna reconfigure, and within 2 or 3 seconds you will be able to see my video again. So yeah, it's configuring on the back end of the system, and what's going on, and things just work like that. So yeah, once it is done, we are good to go. And yeah, there's a right top corner button here, and this is the button for the logout, or you just want to leave the classroom. And once you confirm it, you're out of the class, and the class is finished. So the things are working like that. This was a small demo. If you have any queries about the demo or anything, you can easily ask me on the email and stuff like that. So yeah, and yeah, bye bye.